Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and camera settings so capture quality is consistent. First, make sure your iPhone 15 is updated, then enable ProRes in Settings Camera. Select 10-bit if you need extra color depth. Next, open the camera app, switch to video, and pick Prores Log. This stores extended dynamic range for grading. Once done, set resolution and frame rate. Choose storage carefully because ProRes files are large. This gets you ready to record with maximum latitude. You now focus on how to capture usable log footage. Prioritize exposure and framing. Use the camera app's waveform or histogram to expose for highlights, not the shadows, so you retain detail for grading. Lock white balance or set it manually. Use an ND filter when shooting bright scenes to keep shutter and aperture consistent. Record brief test clips at your chosen frame rate, check focus, and listen with headphones for unwanted audio. Once you confirm tests look right, continue with full takes. You finish by moving media and finishing the grade so your footage looks natural. Transfer ProRes log files to a fast drive using USB-C or AirDrop. Keep originals intact. In your editor, apply a log-to-rec, 709 conversion or a target LUT, then refine exposure, contrast, and saturation to restore midtones and skin tones. Export a high-quality master plus compressed deliverables. If you see banding, raise bit depth or dither. If audio is out of sync, re-link original files and conform frame rates immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.